Ladies and gentlemen, we are live.
What up, what up, what up? Welcome back. We are pumping, and it is good to see the trenches are alive. Solana trenches are alive, particularly Pump Fun. Lots of stuff taken off. The volume's doubled since last month. We've also got Bitcoin sitting just below the 62K mark. Solana is moving as well. So really nice relief rally. I'm excited, guys, because obviously we're in Q3 of this cycle, as per se. I mean, only yesterday it was kind of the bear market begins, and now we're near the end of it. But I'd be interested to hear your thoughts, Mr. Alphaballer. Welcome back, and how are you finding the pump, bro?
What is up, my guy? Very good to see you. You look way fresher. Yeah, I think that when markets are green, you look way better, man.
I think traveling and being on a plane and not sleeping that much is probably
well, either you print in the trenches, what's up, everyone? Good to see, the chat pumping. Hey, just like, drop, share the stream, and yeah, very impressive with whatever is going on with Bitcoin. Ethereum actually surprised me a little bit more today because we are on like 6% on the day, and it started to move a little bit faster than Bitcoin. So man, trenches are booming. We had even Robinhood, like we spilled literally the alpha live on chain, which all the prices straight after a couple of hours went to 10x, and you see people just getting more.
When you're saying that it went to 10x, what were you talking specifically about? Just in case some of the people didn't see the stream yesterday.
Yeah. Well, first of all, like all the tickers that were on our screens when we were sharing were literally absolute bottom. If you go and right now, there are like a couple of them are like maybe even 20, 30x, and a couple of them are just like in the high 10x from that moment. And specifically the volume, the 24-hour volume at that time when we shared in the stream, it was 1.2, 1.4 mil at that, something like that. And if you go and look right now, it's about 42 million already. So we've seen some rotation, of fresh money, hungry money, trying to rotate and experience this new layer 2 Robinhood blockchain, which is basically a layer 2 of Arbitrum, right? But they're huge. They're literally huge, man. They're like big name, a lot of big memes that comes from that area of GME, stonks, hold, like hodl your bags. There has been some pretty good runners, I would say.
For sure. So what is it? Is it because of kind of Ansem and what he's been doing? Like, how do you see it? Is it because the trenches are alive again because the price is going up? I mean, what is it? Is it FOMO? What's the real reason why all of this activity is starting to happen again?
Oh, absolutely. I think Ansem is one of the reasons, man. It's still because we kind of got the low in of Bitcoin. You can say that because there was a huge. I don't know if you saw Ben Cohen dropped recently videos where there was like some absolute incredible coincidences that in 2018 Bitcoin bottomed in the same area, like probably a little bit earlier in June, and it bottomed out at 5,700 something, right? It bottomed in that area, and this time we had a little bit delayed. We basically on July 1st, like June 30 to July 1st, we bottom at 5,700, right? 57, and we have like 600 something. which is crazy coincidence. And after that, we had that small rally pump of July. So we have a lot of positive vibes from the trenches. It's not only Ansem, but it's like some feedback from the past that it's keeping this momentum going, right?
Okay.
So yeah, but definitely Solana trenches. Ansem 100%. He just woke up. He sent his coin from 0 to 170, 80 mils. Probably he broke a new all-time high today. You have Solana itself pumping, man. It's been ripping. It went like all the way to $82, and we were speaking like if it managed to. Yesterday it was at around. Let me pull up the chart if that's.
Yeah, I can bring it up. I mean, I'm not at my screen desk, but let's do this real quick. Give me 1 second, and I'll bring this up on stream.
But you've been having fun on the Solana trenches, right?
Yeah. I made a.
How's the experience?
Yeah, good. I mean, it's like they have done a really good job with Pump Fun. Like they've changed it up quite a bit. Hold on, guys. Let me just. I don't like this layout. Change it to something like that. No,
It's not bad. Yeah, you could leave the previous one.
yeah, that'll do. Yeah, it's been fun, bro. Like it's been interesting. There's been a few plays that have done all right. Obviously, I did very well for the Luke token, and then I followed the dev, which is a guy called Superman on Soul, I think his name is. So he's launched some stuff. One of them I mentioned on stream yesterday. But now the momentum as a dev is kind of winding down because he's just farming basically.
Oh yeah. How many coins he launched?
Oh, he's launching a new one every single day, pretty much. Yeah. He's bad like that, bro.
Absolutely mad. Absolutely mad.
But I get it. He's got the hype. He's got people talking about him, so it makes sense. But no, I was just aping shitters basically on Solana, and looking to get in at a relatively decent market cap. Something like 10 to 20k market cap, sometimes less, but is very, very high risk. So going up, and then there's been some that run up to a few 100k. I think one of them today went up. I think I put in a couple $100 and went up to 600-700. So I took it out. Did a few 100%.
I was guys just before we started the live stream. I was like crying so bad because there was a coin that I was literally watching before going outside. That's the time when the price when you're not locked in. I was literally looking at that, and it was like because they started to pump some coins that are related to Ansem, and so basically related to Ansem, and it's like cat coins, and they started literally to pump every single cat coin on Solana trenches. Like it doesn't matter, like old coins, new coins, they just literally started to pump everything. And I was looking at that literally old coin about it was at 0, and I come back, look at that chart, and it's like 10x in just like literally 2 hours or something like that. That's the power of Solana trenches. Like you never know.
But they can also go down all the way back down.
Oh,
as
it
well,
was absolutely bottom, man. It was like the downside risk is probably minus 10, 20%, right? So it's not that big. You just have to be there and take the shots. Like you see the momentum, you see maybe the meta appears, you just go all in. It's kind of the same happened right now with Robinhood, right? Because
when you say Robinhood, are you talking about a ticker here, or are you talking about?
No, about the blockchain. I'm gonna show that in a moment, but right now let's have a look a little bit of the Solana, because we were at about 76 to 77 bucks yesterday, and I was saying like if we manage to break that, go like to 82, 83, which we went, and just like maybe fall a little bit down over here just to get a nice support bounce around this area. Solana is gonna be like way juicier for a higher move. And if you look at the bigger time frame, we were saying about the spring, right? Like week off accumulation, the spring, get it back, get a nice breakout, form a support, bounce, and just send it way higher, which correlates a lot with the July pump that we were kind of waiting, but we were not sure. Like, is it gonna be right now or is it gonna not?
I mean,
So
it's day 2, right? So we gotta take it with a pinch of salt. But yeah,
and surprisingly, what do you think? Why it started to outperform?
well, I just
Bitcoin,
think
man?
there's a lot of
What-
there's a lot of
percent?
there's a lot of longs, man. There's a lot of longs, you know.
A lot of longs. Yeah, actually, someone posted that there's a big whale who opened like real big money on longs on the ETH. So
Yeah. I think it was Look on Chain.
pump
That was
pump is good, man. You know, pump, like seeing green after like so many red weeks, and seeing people like actually trenching, making some money, just being active. It's a good thing to see.
Yeah, someone put, I love that 3% pump. Yeah, I mean, to be honest, it is better than nothing, man. Going from 57K
Oh,
to 62K, it's a bump.
it is, and matter than that, like the 3% can go way higher, right? But it won't be like as fast because
Well, we'll see.
What do you think the news will be that will sustain this pump? Because there
I
has
don't
to
think
be.
there'll be need to sustain this pump.
Do you think like maybe inflation comes down, or like it won't
No,
be as
no, I don't.
bad?
No, I don't think the bond. I mean, I think maybe there's a relief. Look, it's like they're just washing. I think they're just wash trading. You know, so they're just like they've just got rid of a bunch of. They're getting rid of a bunch of shorts, wiping out the position, and then going after a bunch of longs. I think that's how I see it.
So you still stand that we won't have
Course,
that
bro.
relief pump in July, like
I mean, maybe get where do you see the relief pump going to? Realistically,
so first level, I would say like go back to that area, you know, break the
what
66K.
64?
Yeah, 66, man. 66. If we reclaim that, like the main zone would be like over here,
It's not
70
going.
to
It won't get 66K. You'd be lucky to get 64, and
Okay.
I'd be surprised. I mean, maybe.
What happens to your thesis if let's say Bitcoin goes back to 73K?
Well,
Would it change your
I
thesis and your
mean, GG's, but it won't. It won't. Like,
Get him out of here, man.
no, I'm serious. Like this happens every single month, right? Like, there's a direction. Yeah, GG's, by the way. 20x on Dr. Trump. Trump new tweet notice pay. Yeah, it's amazing, bro.
What?
It's amazing. Yeah. On
What
Pump
was
Fun.
that?
It got launched. Yeah, Dr. Trump. Yeah. It did awesome.
What in the
Jensen
world?
Jacket as well. Jensen Jacket did well as well. There was a bunch of runners today, bro. There was a bunch that started running. But yeah. No. I mean, what I'm trying to say is basically, start of the month, you usually, again, they're just washing longs and shorts out, in my personal opinion.
Yeah.
So, like, okay, maybe there's a certain threshold. I mean, even now, right, we got up to 62, but then it's moving back down as the markets are open to 61 500. So
Yeah.
I don't get too excited because you generally see, like, if you look on the weekly, okay, we have an green week now.
For me, this is more important, man, because we just break out a little bit and we had like that moment of it's not a relief, it's just the breakout, and then you get the real forming a kind of a new support, right? And the resistance, and you bounce way higher. Like that would be not surprising for me at all. If we go all the way to maybe ETH 1.8 or all the way back to like real 2K maybe, right? Because
Could happen.
absolutely
Yeah,
2K, 2K, absolutely, like quite easy. It can come in the next 1-2 weeks. But yeah, do we have any news like whatever? What was the thing with Dr. Trump? What was that?
No, it was a tweet, I think, by President Trump.
Okay,
Let me see if I can find it.
I'm still surprised.
But carry on. Donald Trump basically launched. This was it. 37 minutes ago. Just go on his Twitter real quick, and you'll see it. It's at real Donald Trump.
But yeah, man, it's like
Here we go. Here we go. Chain Cock Pulse Hex. Hey gang, what's up? Keep up the live streams, lads. GGs. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, man. Morning, gentlemen.
the world is bad, man. There is no.
Yeah, change your screen, bro, because it's still the chart.
It's like, is it even legal to show?
Yeah, of course it's legal to show, bro. It's a tweet.
No, that's fine, but I can see.
But the audience want to see, bro. They can't see.
I would look at green candles way more than the Donald Trump.
Dude, bring it up. Yeah, bring it up and play it. Yeah.
Oh, you want?
Yeah, play it, man. Play it because people don't understand.
I have the sound off, so I have to put
it
once again. Give me one moment.
Yeah. We can't talk about something and then not bring it up.
Oh, yeah.
It's just like, what we rug pulling the freaking the audience, you know.
Okay. You can show.
You want me to show it now? Okay.
No, it's on my screen, but it's not showing on the live.
Oh, okay. There we go.
Yeah.
Go ahead. No, you can't hear it.
The symptoms can be
Oh, there it is. Yeah. No, I can't hear it.
It's still not showing it on live stream. It's like we are watching.
No, it's not working. I'll put it up because
Okay.
I think I can find it. Trump.
It's still impressive that they got out with profiting 1.4 bill from their coins, NFTs, whatever they are doing, and the markets keep pumping up, and there is like no questions, no nothing. They actually reinvested like $1 billion.
Have you or someone you know been diagnosed with TDS? The symptoms can be relentless. Fortunately, I'm Dr. Trump, and I have a treatment plan. Let's hear what some of my patients have to say.
Bro, can you hear this or not? Can you hear this?
No, it's not showing, and I'm not hearing it. No.
What? Why is that not working? What do you mean it's not showing? It's on screen. I can see it on screen.
Oh, can you? Okay.
Yeah. Can you not see it on screen?
No.
Dude, look.
Guys, let us know if it's showing on screen. Maybe I'll just go on.
Is there?
Capital.
Dude, it's on screen. You can see it. It's right there. Are you on Restream right now?
Oh yeah.
You can see it?
No, but I can see it on the live on the stream, so it's working.
No, don't open the stream. Don't open the stream. Just surely you should.
Yeah, you can play.
Huh? Oh, okay. All right.
Have you or someone you know been diagnosed with TDS? The symptoms can be relentless.
Can you hear it?
Fortunately, I'm Dr. Trump, and I have a treatment plan. Let's hear what some of my patients.
Dude, I don't know what's going on.
It's just sharing on the live stream. I can re-enter just quickly. Sometimes Restream is giving our stuff.
Whatever. Anyway, I mean that's the meme basically.
But have you seen, by the way? Speaking of
it's good. He's saying it's good. It's just yours. I don't know what's going on.
Speaking of live streams, have you seen that X has introduced a new feature? Like we already have been live on YouTube, on X, and on Kick, but they are trying to bring more streamers and introduce some form of more content, more live streams, more features for the live streaming platforms. I'm pretty sure maybe they get some, incentivize the people that live stream on X.
Yeah.
Have you seen that?
I've seen this.
Like,
yeah. I have seen this.
actually,
Yeah.
super cool. Yeah.
I think they're really gonna push it.
Oh,
They're really
they should, man. They should. Like, there's like Kick right now, which is basically a free, open, decentralized. You can absolutely stream anything on King, like casino, everything. And X, they're like pushing for this, freedom of speech, decentralization, and whatever.
Yes, that citizen vigilante went viral. Which was like, it was kind of anti-immigration type film, but I think what they want to do is they want to make it their own media platform now. I think people kind of fed up of the mainstream media and kind of being lied to a little bit, and they just don't like what's going on. So
400K Trump Memecoin anniversary,
dude. And
so Solana actually, some of the Solana is absolutely worth sending, because the trenches just got so much hit up, and people want to pump their old bags. People want to make some money, and like they start to throw money left and right. Do you guys see? Oh. Do you guys see the shared screen of mine, MoneyGang?
No, it's not coming up, bro.
It's not coming up?
Yeah, show again. I guess there's an issue with the shared screen, bro. I don't know what's going on.
I'm gonna just rejoin quickly, because I want to bring the Robinhood.
Yeah. Go ahead, bro. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with his feed. Let's see. I've just lost it. Do it one more time. It came up and then it just dropped off.
Really?
Here we go. That is it seen. It's not just
maybe X will bring some more cool features. So Restream, have some.
Dude, you're. I don't know. It's just loading, bro. It's not coming out.
It's not okay. It doesn't matter. Like we've shown the Robinhood is basically a layer 2, and the way to get there, you have to bridge through Arbitrum into the Robinhood blockchain. It's as Base is a layer 2 blockchain. Right? Same way is like Robinhood, but it's like under Arbitrum somehow. And people just love the old memes. It's a new, fresh blockchain where things are just launching fresh. Lots of memes. Some projects that lets you actually trade stocks, from Robinhood. And plus, Robinhood is one of the old school. Yeah,
I've got a Robinhood account. I just do like more normal stocks and stuff on Robinhood. And I don't think
on the Robinhood chain. Actually, we share one of the first who shared the Robinhood that it went live yesterday, and price has been absolutely skyrocketing. I have been lazy a little bit, but got kind of late to that, but still managed to catch a few runners, man. Got like probably a couple of them did 5-6x, which was not bad. Surprisingly, I just went to the gym, live my day, come back and see the bags that are pumping. I was like, hell yeah, man, that's the good feeling, good feeling of being in the trenches. It's just buy, go away, come back, print money, press the sell button, enjoy your day after, just like have a nice dinner and stuff like that. But
So you bought some stuff on base, right? But I didn't really see base kind of kicking off. I was quite
Oh,
surprised
on
at that.
base. No, I'm out of base, man. I'm out of base. When the things started to decline with bunker bot and whatever, they had like a huge reveal of fees that they were taking like 65% of the fees, something like that, from the launches. And they like the AI meta just dropped out, so completely just breached everything from base, left, and not gonna come back until like there is a clear new momentum in AI or like some tech, whatever they are bringing. Right now, the whole movement have been on Solana. And speaking of that, even my coin that I was bullish yesterday and was at the bottom, Sanchan, has pumped a little bit, man. Not as the other shitters that do a 10x in a couple of hours, but hey, it's up, you know.
So that ticket, how many X's did you do on it?
Oh, so on Sanchan.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, like how many did you miss out on, essentially?
No. On Sanchan, I'm still holding the bag, man. Like we've been speaking about this coin, the Shiba Inu, probably from the previous year, and we got like a 20x. Then they went, like all the way up, and then as a normal chart on Solana, just went almost to the basic entry of under 1 million. So just like that. But on Robinhood, I got some really decent, like I got a 10x on the hold, which was an interesting ticker. Also like Feather, they have like some emoji Feather, which was like sitting basically at 4K. I was like, man, this is easy gamble, just throw the money and come back, collect, because the volume, people were still hesitating to bridge to Robinhood, because you have to go just through the portal, and basically it takes 1 minute to bridge and put the custom blockchain on your wallet. Speaking of that, even Liberty Swap with ZKX, they also support right now they support this new layer 2 blockchain.
So why isn't Pulsechain doing anything?
Oh my god. Pulsechain.
Yeah, it's like a 11 monthly candle, right? I mean, on 24 hours, it's
I believe someone waked up, some whales that have been selling, or some like wallet that got hacked with 400 billion pools, something like that, has been selling. Also, that like, are we allowed to say like dog shit tickers?
Sure, you can say whatever, bro. It's not. It's pretty freedom of speech.
The soil coin, whatever those guys were trying to manipulate and do on Pulsechain, they've been just extracting pulse and dumping the pulse, over time, just like dumping 20k clips of PLS for the past today, and probably in the past weeks also. So as of now, nothing, bro. Like Pulsechain stagnant, right? There is still Peacock and Liberty who is trying to do some things. Some degens from Pulsechain, I know they left trying Solana, like you, trying Solana. Some of them switched to Robinhood and bought the top because there was the first pump when everything pumped, and like, oh my god, we have to go in. They bought the top, and then it went all the way down. Some of them bought the dips and actually made some decent profits. I would say there are a couple of people from Pulsechain that actually made some decent profits on this new Robinhood blockchain.
Which that you know of, yeah?
Yeah.
Because I've not seen anyone post about it, really.
Oh, it's been Prince. Prince, he's chilling in our live streams sometimes. He was I don't know if he saw on our live stream or he just been on point, and he, after like 3 or 4 hours, he got into that, and there's like some other people trying to have a taste of of a new blockchain, which is an EVM. So it's like you're saying you trade with ETH. There is nothing complicated to that. But I'm looking forward, man. I don't know what have to happen when Pulse chain is gonna pump, because right now it's feeling devastating. There is like what, probably PDI is gonna pump.
I don't know.
Actually, it's up 0.12% on the day. So
yeah, it's hard to say with like something like a PDI. Yeah, I really don't know what this. It's hard because, like, you know, I think the whole market's kind of pumping and Pulse chain's kind of cooked.
Always has been like that, man.
No, but like it hasn't always been like that, because you had the pump tires thing and you had, you know, quite a few things going on chain. So I don't know. I don't know what the solution is. I don't know why.
Don't you have that feeling that when the whole market is pumping and your bags are not pumping, you want to sell even more because, like, fuck, the market's pumping and my bags are not pumping?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
that happened a lot with me, with the way that I was feeling when I was holding Pulse chain bags. The whole market was literally ripping. You had Su, you had Sol, you had like some other meme coins just sending. And I was sitting with my Pulse chain bags, and I was like, man, I just want to fucking sell. Get the probably that was the right idea at that time, not currently, because the prices are like absolutely destroyed.
Yeah.
So
kind of. Let's have a look. PNAS is on Pulse chain is worth a look.
We've been speaking about PNAS. We've been speaking a lot. We got like a couple of nice access on that. I'm not sure how good it's helping. I know it's paired with Peacock and other. They made some other liquidity pools with like PulseX and stuff like that. I'm not sure how good it is that for Peacock itself. So no more comments. You know, I don't want to fucking.
Well, I mean, it's more.
It did great. It did great. Like
you're talking about we've talked about this quite a bit in extent. It's like Hums or not Hums. Who's the guy? OG Web Chef, right? Yeah. He just dominates the any ticker he wants. He just makes a new coin. He attaches to it that has some sort of tax on it, and he basically just buys upload of that coin, right?
And in place, absolutely. I'm actually, bro, why he didn't try to do that, something like that, on a real like huge volume chain? Because he could do that on every EVM chain.
He doesn't like realistically. It's he can't do it on any chain other than
Pulse chain.
He doesn't. No one has motion on other chains. I'll be honest with you. Robinhood Dog Brody got rugged, then started running. Nice. The longest it stays.
Oh, guys, if you have some tickers that we should look on the Robinhood, just drop it in the chat. I'll maybe buy some of them, man, because I'm still in the trenches looking for the next 10x. You know, made the profits. I'm gonna throw all in.
Yeah, put it in the chat for sure.
Well, another 75% from here. Man.
Yeah, I wouldn't say another 75%, but it could have. I've said before that I think it could go to 99% down on Wrap Pulse, which sounds harsh, but it's true. And people don't like that.
It is destroying your confidence when you see the whole market pump and your charts are just getting how is the word? Surpassing?
Surpassed.
Yeah. By some whales and some big wallets are just holding the chain hostage in some way. And we've seen even PTGC, man, drop to fucking 10 mil, 11 mil. That's, that's hard.
It's not great.
Coin that has been around for ages. Just whales wake up, started down, take profit. Vision maybe is not there. They had like some weird functions with their UFO contract, because if I'm not mistaken, their contracts are not verified, or not verified. They're verified, but they're not renounced, so they can make the changes, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Someone said Brody. Yeah, bring that one up. Brody. I'm pretty sure I got into this on Pump One.
Bro, is that?
Oh no, just the Robinhood book.
Yeah, it did okay. It's there are a couple of them, but I see the oldest one is like at 20K, right? So it went all the way down. It's rugging bad. Okay, yeah. I wouldn't buy over here, but I would wait to see how it takes. Maybe form a bottom and maybe get a DEX.
Do you want to bring the chart up on screen, bro?
I try to bring the charts, man, but they're like literally not showing. Can you see that?
There is, yeah, of course.
There it is. Yeah. Yeah. Usually I would like wait for something like go back in this area and like slow down, right? Because if you go back on the Robinhood, there you go. This was, by the way, 1.4 mil yesterday when we were looking, and for example, we have this one and even this one, because this one I bought like at 4K market cap, and it pumped quite decently. So it was, you see that the first pump, and Pulse Chain guys, kind of a lot of other people, not only Pulse Chain, come back, bought a lot of bags, and then in the morning it just got sold off over here. But oh my god, there is no fucking way. Yeah, I paper hand that shit because I sold like about over here. But basically this is the round button that you usually wait for after those kind of things, right? And you want a clean entry, and you see like how the community is forming, is like something behind. But holy fuck, this actually absolutely sent. No way. Wow.
What market cap did it go to?
Oh, it went all the way
80K.
80K, and my entry was like about 4K.
Oh, wow. Okay.
But I did like I just came off gym. I saw it pumping at 30x. It was like almost close to 8-9x. I'm just like, thank you. That's it for me. Just take the profit, and went away. So
damn.
W, but I guess, man, there was some motion, because
I mean, if you're at 4K and it's gone up to 80K, is what like.
This was a nice one, like basically a launch pad with rev share and staking for Robinhood. There was like some decent. What else? We had
someone said, yeah, that's the one. I think the Brazil guys are rugging it. Brazil Cabal third world.
Oh, the GME one actually. Oh, I didn't buy it. This one I bought. Oh my god, yeah, absolutely sad. This one I bought like over here some in the fucking morning at the 40K, sold about like over here, just went way. You never gonna know like what's the bottom or top on those charts, because like how fast are people gonna rotate, and a lot of people didn't rotate because Solana is still running, man. Solana is printing like crazy. You have like tickers left and right. You have the reviving altcoins, so they're still over there. The big money from Solana never came. It's probably like people who are playing on base, people who are playing on ghost chains like Pulse Chain or Sui or like ETH. Some of those people, they like, okay, our chain is dry, so where do we try to
find opportunity?
And they like went on Robinhood, which
right.
Yeah, I'm seeing that. Holy shit! Actually, some people made some decent money. Big W's in the chat, man. Now probably is like I'm gonna start to buy and believe a little bit more. Is it this time again, man? Because I've been like 3-4x. Okay, that's cool. Out, but I should have been pumping like 15, 20x. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane.
Yeah, it has.
How's my Mr. Sanchan doing? We're gonna have a look of that. Do we have anything to add, man, for this live stream? Because been printing
we didn't really go through the main charts, but that's okay. It's not that big a deal. I think
and breaks this consent, man.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward. Let me see how is the USDT dominance looking, because it was like topish. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so Pulse is down 15x from SAC and 45x from all-time high. If this is not rug pull, what it is?
It's slow.
Is that what you call it? A slow rug, yeah? Yeah. I don't know, man.
Slow something, man. Slow something.
Yeah, it's hard to say, bro. It's difficult because when you pre-sell so much money, looking back, obviously it makes sense, but when you pre-sell so much money, there isn't much money to put into a chart. That's the best way I can describe it. It's very hard. It's very hard because it's at the top of the bull market that you pre-sold, so everything's going to go down from there.
Can we call it a sleeping giant?
Will you please?
You know the meme that there is a sleeping. Oh, Tam, thank you for coming in. Provex, yeah, I was sharing my Provex chart with some friends. I was like, man, this chart looks interesting.
Let's bring it in.
Yeah. So basically, this is what I have, and it's looking pretty clean. It's looking pretty clean. The volume, like, we literally have no volume on chain right now. People are still afraid to buy literally anything because there are like whales that are ready to dump. You have those guys like Rackham and some other whales that they're constantly clipping 10K, 20K, 30K, 40K per week or in a couple of days and just like surpassing every single pump. So Provex had like a clean capitulation when that guy swapped from Provex to PDAI. That was like absolutely buy. And then we had like, again, a double kind of higher low. Even if you look at the chart closer, it's not even a double bottom, but just like a higher low. And we had that small pump. Another, if you take like that, just another like kind of channel, and maybe, but this pump has to be like, this pump has to be supported, not only in my perspective, like you, MoneyGang, you'll tell me what you feel, but
no, I agree.
It doesn't have to be supported only from ETH pumping. It has to be supported by something else. That's backing. That's why it would move up, why it should move up, right? So yeah,
100%.
It's one of the cleanest charts right now, even though it's like down a lot and probably under a sacrifice price for those who went solo. It's one of the cleanest charts that you can look for an entry and maybe get a nice position if you still believe in the ecosystem and Richard Hart. Yeah, 100%.
How far down is it from its all-time high?
Went quite a lot, man. Probably if you consider this all-time high, 170 something, right? Let's say over here, at this point, minus 70% around. Right. Yeah.
Okay, so
minus 70% is not bad for a chart that is considering a strong one, because when you have runners, when you have like even new coins, and when they do the corrections, the strong charts will do minus 60, minus 70% corrections. The real strong one with momentum will do like 30, 40%. Other than that, like if you get a minus 90%, then you have a lot of lack confidence, and there is like There is nothing like to build up on top of that.
I think it needs to go. Yeah, I think it needs to go down further. To be honest,
but it looks good. It looks good. Like right now, it looks good. But what is gonna support this pump, right? What is gonna support this breakout? Maybe like if it breaks out over here a little bit more, then we have like a nice just a bounce. How you say? Forgot my words, man. You like you get the breakout and you get the
support.
Yeah.
Just
form a higher, yeah, I guess. I'll remember. And you can go all the way, like even 75, 80 mil, just with the July pump. But we're gonna observe how the things are gonna move. And let's have a look at PulseX, because
we're going PulseX, and then we got Pepe after that.
Oh,
and then
I haven't looked at Pepe at all, but like I don't even know how to chart this one, right? Because there is nothing, man. There is no clear bottom. There is like pure slow movement downtrend. There is nothing clear on PulseX. My clean chart was like from way long time ago, when I was like quite bullish and we were like close to breakout. We never get that, and we were like slow bleeding afterwards, like over there. Like I was like, man, this is the game time, the game time. We literally had like a higher low almost ready to break, and it's like the funny thing for me, that's why I had this line even from over here, because like it would be fine if we go down and we never break, and that's basically what we did. We went lower, like that's fucking destroyed, man. Minus 88%.
That's wait, you're talking about PulseX here, yeah? From that line. Someone asked this question. Hold on. Someone asked this question. With ProveX, is the fact that the sacrifice with less dollars means that the dump would be less, or maybe that's the wrong logic? No, it's the right logic. It's the right logic because, well, the market capitalization, the market cap. Let's just say market cap.
It is a monster.
No, I'm not. It's not that. The market cap is much lower, but also you got a lot of whales that are supporting towards the because they put less in. They're supporting certain areas and certain places as well, right? So where it was kind of, there was so much money piled into the first two sacrifices, the Pulse and Pulse X1. It was really, when it did a 2-3x, it was huge amounts, huge amounts. There was barely anything in comparison. There was barely anything that was actually put. I think 15 million. So in comparison, it's like there was a risk. Number one, there was a huge risk to sacrificing, and if you're in the pool, you would have done very, very well. But some people didn't use the pool, or didn't use Buck's pool, but also it's maintaining. I actually want to bring up the chart because I have on my charts, I've got the ProveX lines of sacrifice essentially. So it will probably show on the price here. Yeah, I can bring it up. Yeah, let me bring this up. Yeah. Just gonna bring this up so you guys can see this. Okay, this is your line's best possible sacrifice. Okay, and you can see it's actually bouncing directly off of that line. So to give you an idea, okay, this line here, the greatest sacrifice rate is essentially like Richard, yeah, and Richard putting in, I don't know, 400 million into the sacrifice, but up until that point there was 16 million that was put in, which is the real number, right? The real sacrifice number. And the best rate was in Buck's pool, and it was at this point here, which is 403602. So to give perspective, if you're a genius and listen to me, because I said it was only going to do a 2-3x, right? From it did more than that if you're in Buck's pool. It did, actually no, sorry, it did nearly 4x. there. So you would have been a genius, yeah. You would have been a genius if you got into that pool and you'd sold there. But where you see resistance and you see buybacks back up is all resistant on this line here, which the best possible rate for the normies to, dude, I'm gonna ban this guy because he keeps chucking stuff in. Links I don't want.
Go ahead.
But the point I'm trying to make, guys, is like the resistance is there. So there's when Bucks got like 500k's worth of ProveX or had 500k's worth of ProveX in terms of dollar value. I don't know if that's at the top, but from that kind of stuff, it's gonna get protected, right? And then he's shilling the bags quite strongly. A lot of people bought and are still holding this. Didn't TP, one of our friends. So yeah, it's one of those.
All I know that people are still waiting, bro. There are still people waiting to get like a smaller release bounce on pulse chain bags and to get some more stables. Because what if it goes slower, right? That's the
well they're waiting on Comrade, right? I think he's got some bleeding stakes right now. I've not checked it recently. I've not checked him recently and what he's been up to.
He hasn't sold anything because it will be visible on the chart, but we have other guys that's just clipping out from the PLS, and there is no even the people that did DCA right now are like losing the confidence to buy more or do something else, especially with ETH BTC being in the rough spot. We'll see how it goes right now with this like small pump that we've seen on Bitcoin. We've seen it on Solana. We've seen how one man changed the whole vibe of one of the biggest ecosystems in the crypto industry.
Yeah.
Just one man, just by launching a meme coin and getting everyone to back work, to believe, to hold, to revive the trenches, to believe in Solana again, and what it's been building. Even the price has been showing a lot of strength, and a lot of strength from influencers, KOLs that they transferred from ETH back in the days when they were on ETH. They just moved over Solana because that's where the media attention and all the volume is going on. Really curious how Pulse Chain is gonna capitalize on this small pump. Correct. Say it how you want.
We'll see. I mean, it's not going up right now from what I can see. So
yeah.
Yes, it's not doing very well.
But ProveX, definitely one to watch out, and probably will be. I'm not sure the easiest to pump, but will be one that will get a little bit more extra attention, unless that guy fully capitulates Hex and all the love goes back into Hex, right? That's
fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. All right, let's wrap this one up. I appreciate all of you guys. You can find us in the Telegram group up top. You can also follow us as well. We're on Twitter. We're on YouTube. Go ahead and do that. Appreciate all of you. And we'll speak to you on the next one, probably tomorrow.